In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off comments in Notion so you can fully disable page discussions when you need a quieter, more focused workspace. Let's start from any Notion page where you want to disable comments. Make sure you're on the main page view, not inside a database row in full screen mode, just the regular page. At the top right corner of your Notion window, you'll see a small icon with 3 horizontal dots. This is often called the More or Options menu. Go ahead and click on that 3-dot menu to open the Page Options panel. When that panel opens, you'll see a number of settings that control how your page looks and behaves. Take a moment to scroll through if needed, because the wording and layout can change slightly with updates, but the option we're looking for is called Customize Page. It's usually near the top section of that menu. Once you see Customize Page, click on it. This will open a dedicated settings area focused on appearance and interaction for the specific page you're on. Inside the Customize Page settings, you'll see different toggles and options, such as properties, layout choices, and other page-level preferences. Among these, look for a setting labeled Page Discussions. This is the control that determines whether people can start and view comment threads in the discussion section of this page. By default, page discussions are typically turned on, which means collaborators can add comments in the discussion sidebar. To turn off comments, simply toggle off page discussions. When you click the toggle, it should switch to the off position, and the page will stop showing the discussion area to users who don't have permission to change these settings. Once this is disabled, new comments can't be added in the page discussions area, and existing discussion threads will no longer be visible there. This is especially useful if you're finalizing documentation, sharing a public or client-facing page, or just want to keep things clean and distraction-free. If you ever change your mind, you can repeat these same steps. Open the 3-dot menu, click Customize Page, and toggle Page Discussions back on. That will instantly restore the ability to comment on the page. And that's all you need to do. With just a few quick clicks, you've successfully turned off comments in Notion and taken control over how people